Okay. Okay. Today I'm going to be showing you how to jump off the tallest cliff in the world. As you can see, Grand Canyon, yeah. Okay. Yeah, cliff. Pretty high. Okay. First thing you're going to need to do are stretches. These stretches are pretty intense. If you're under 4 years old, do not do this. If you're over 50 years old, do not do this. You're just going to break your leg. Okay. Stretches pretty intense. The first one will be this one. Make sure you stick your ass up in there. Yeah. Okay, after you got all that stuff. Yeah. Okay, the second one will be jumping jacks. Sometimes I mess up on these jumping jacks, so don't laugh. Yeah. Yeah. Almost. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 10. Okay. Now, you're ready to jump. Make sure you got focus on your feet. Make sure it's 1.5 inches separate. Oh, that's pretty too much. Okay. Okay. Good luck, Sean. Okay. Time.
10 hours later.
Sorry. I failed too many times. Okay. This is the last time I think I can do this. Remember, 1 inch separate. Zoom in. Separate. Okay. Now you gotta do all your stretches all over. Okay. The first stretch, as you remember, is jiggly wiggly, whatever you call it. Stick, yeah. You gotta make sure you stick the ass in here. Okay. The next one will be jumping jacks. You have to have perfect conditions for this. Now, we start. Yeah. Make sure you hit your balls after that. If you're a girl, I don't know, hit your vagina and make it masturbate a little. Okay. After you got all that, it's time to do it. Oh, sorry, not do it, like extreme do it. Like